Hey everyone, Caleb Sports Cards here with another video, and today I opened up a box of football for Odin's. He actually bought it, so I opened it up for him, and I first wanted to say I did open it up on a live stream, so he was actually there watching it live when I opened it. So I went back through and then I edited it, so I made it into this video now. So yeah, some of the things I edited was sometimes it took me a while to open up the packs, or I was talking to the chat, so like I was kind of opening up the pack slowly, so I just kind of edited it through so you guys just got like the main clips. And before we started, I wanted to tell you guys, in my description there will be a link on how you can win this Joe Burrow. So there's just 3 easy steps that you have to follow, and then you will be entered to win this Joe Burrow, which I will be announcing either this week or next week. So yeah, let's hop into the video. All right, here we go. Here's the box. So yeah, this is the Panini Contenders 2019 football. One autograph. I can definitely ship you the box too, unless you want the cards, just the cards, that's alright too. And I will be showing off some single cards too that you can buy. Alright, there we go. All the packs in there. I think there's only 5 packs. Hey TV11, stop by just in time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. This last one, yep, this is the memorabilia card. So we'll open that one last. Otherwise, here we go. There's the box. Alrighty. So we're starting it off with Garyon Colony, Reggie White, Adrian Peterson, Matt Ryan. Here we go. Josh Allen for the Jaguars. I'll sleeve that one up. David Johnson, who's now on the Texans, and Sony Michel. Oh, and Devontae Adams. So, nothing too good in the first pack. Sleeving this up. There we go. Travis Kelce, Aaron Donald, Leighton Vander Esch, legendary Hines Ward, AJ Green, Dominic Sue, Tyreek Hill, Todd Gurley, and then Kid Reporter. So nothing too good out of that pack either. But yeah, thanks again for buying. Hopefully you can get a good rookie out of this next one. I think you don't get many rookies at all in this one. I actually opened it, and I think I only got like 1 rookie. Well, I'm going to have to open it like that. CJ Mosley, Khalil Mack, Derrick Henry, Julio Jones, Tom Brady, that's a nice one. We'll definitely sleeve that one up. Amari Cooper. Le'Veon Bell. Tyreek Cohen. That's it. Let me sleeve up your Tom Brady right now. So yeah, we still have this pack in the back though, so 2 more packs. Hopefully we can pull something better. Let's see here. Yeah, I'll just have to open it like that, which is fine. Tyrell Williams. Pat Tillman. That's a nice one. Baker Mayfield. N'Keal Harry. Marcus Mariota. Come on, let's get a rookie, better rookie out of this one. Eli Manning. Tom Brady. Let me sleeve that Tom Brady up. Aaron Jones. And Kid Reporter. You have a signed Amari Cooper jersey? Wow, that's cool. Yeah, sorry I'm not really pulling you anything good out of this, but hopefully we'll get you a good rookie. Hopefully a Kyler Murray, Josh Jacobs, or a DK Metcalf patch. Oh, I saw Chiefs on the back. I don't think that's the patch, though. Nope. That was Cam Newton. Darius Leonard. George Kittle. Is this the patch? Green colors. Let's see. Let's move this to the back. We'll save that one for last. So, Quincy Williams and Josh Oliver. Joe Mixon. Oops. Miles Sanders. Oops, sorry. Patrick Mahomes, there we go. George Kittle, come on. Let's go, Miles Sanders. It's a pretty nice, ooh, color matching. Let's see. Perfect card, perfect centering. Nice little napkin patch there. But yeah. Yeah, not a bad one. Not a bad one. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Make sure you go and enter to win this. Thanks Odin's for buying the box. I had a lot of fun opening it. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next one.